Now problem number 30 of exercise 7.3, integration of 0 to pi by 2 tan x dx divided by 1 plus m square tan square x. So before substituting the limit, let us try to solve the problem. First, let us rearrange the problem. Let me write the given problem in terms of sine and the cos, and let us see what is happening. So 0 to pi by 2, tan x can be written as sine x over cos x, sine x divided by cos x, whole thing divided by 1, excuse me, plus m square of, again tan square is sine square x divided by cos square x dx. So just I changed tan x as sine x by cos x. So what happens this now? Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine x by cos x, sine x, that cos x, it is like a, okay, let me write as it is. Let me do the simplification of denominator first. So cos square x is LCM. So that cos square x will come to the numerator as a reciprocal cos square x. And here after taking LCM, it will come as cos square x plus m square sine square x divided by cos square x. That one I have already taken to the numerator. So 1 cos x is cancelled here. So let us change cos square x as sine square x here. So 0 to pi by 2 of sine x cos x dx divided by, we can write cos square x as 1 minus sine square x plus m square sine square x. So we'll just observe the denominator. It is sine square x is there. Numerator sine x cos x dx is there. So let us substitute sine square x as t. So what happens? Differentiation of sine square x is 2 sine x cos x dx is dt. So we can replace the numerator sine x cos x dx as dt by 2. So completely it is replaced by dt by 2. Now what happens denominator? We can replace wherever sine square is there by t. Now let us see what about the limits. When x is equal to 0, sine 0 is t. So t is also 0. When x is equal to pi by 2, sine square pi by 2. So when x is equal to pi by 2, sine pi by 2 is 1, sine square pi by 2 is also 1. So the integral will change as lower limit is 0 only. For 0, t is also 0. Upper limit pi by 2 is changing as 1. Sin x cos x dx is nothing but dt divided by 2 into 1 minus sine square x is t square plus, sine square x is t. So sine square x is t plus m square sine square x is t. So let us rearrange the problem and see, is it coming any formula form? dt by, let me take 2 outside, half of integration of 0 to 1 dt by 1 minus, let me take t outside, which is, we'll get m square, I have taken minus. Okay, we can take plus t. If I take plus t outside, we will get m square minus 1. So m square minus 1 is nothing but some constant. So the given integral is in the form of dt by 1 plus at. Whatever it is, dt by t formula, it is log integration of this formula form it has taken. Other things are all constant. So integration of dx by x is nothing but log mod x. Whether dx by x or integration of dx divided by a plus x is also for you log mod x, or integration of dx by a plus some constant into x is there, means at that time we will write the answer is half of log mod a plus 2x, right? So everywhere plus c is there. So in this case, so it is here our constant is, yeah, at form. If it is the form of 2x like this, if you will think, means this is m square minus 1 is there. So now we can write the answer as this is nothing but outside one half is there, half log mod 1 plus the whole term a plus, there is a, you can see here the formula. So 1 plus t times of m square minus 1, and the coefficient of t has to be divided. So 2 times of, I can write m square minus 1 here, and the limits we are going to apply is 0 to 1. So now let us apply the limits. Half into 1 by 2 of m square minus 1 is there here. Log upper limit is 1. So 1 if I apply in the place of t, in the place of t we have to apply. So we'll get log mod 1 plus 1 into m square minus 1, 1 plus m square minus 1, upper limit minus lower limit minus log of 1 plus t is 0. So log 1. So the final answer we will get in this step now is nothing but 1 divided by 2 times of m square minus 1 of, m square minus 1 of log mod, here 1 gets cancelled, log mod m square. So one small logarithmic simplification we can do. Log m square can be written as 2 log m, then 2 will get cancelled. So we will get the final answer as log mod m divided by m square minus 1. Hope you all understood what I have done. That is how I have solved this problem.